Hey! Today's letter is the letter N. Isn't that nice? N. Tap a picture and let's find out how many words you know that begin with N. Would you like to know what's hidden in this picture? Press the letter N. Have you ever seen a nutria before? Well, you have now. Also known as river rats, nutrias spend half their time in the water and half on land. They only come out at night and can eat 25% of their body weight every day. Imagine that! The letter N is lost. Find it and put the letter in its place. This shy creature is a nightingale. This bird prefers to spend its time hidden away in bushes. But it more than makes up for this with its beautiful singing, which has inspired poets and playwrights down the ages. Can you sing? The letter N is lost. Find it and put the letter in its place. Who's that creeping up behind you? A ninja. Ninjas were originally from Japan, where they served as spies and elite fighters several centuries ago. They were known as masters of surprise and stealth, and carried all kinds of cool weapons. Would you like to know what's hidden in this picture? Press the letter N. It's big, it's woolly, it's a Newfoundland dog. These dogs are known for their giant size, intelligence, and tremendous strength. Calm and intelligent, they excel at water rescue and life-saving. And as they're so friendly, they also make a great pet. Would you like to know what's hidden in this picture? Press the letter N. Looks like a cozy home, doesn't it? It's a nest. All kinds of animals live in nests, not just birds. Did you know even some fish build them? Nests can vary from simple holes in the ground to complex structures using twigs, leaves, and almost anything else. Find the letter N, and let's find out what's hidden in this picture. This is a narwhal, the unicorn of the ocean. In fact, it's a species of whale, and usually only the males have the tusk that makes them famous. Scientists still don't know what it's actually used for, but it must make trips to the dentist interesting, that's for sure. The letter N is lost. Find it and put the letter in its place. Who's this slimy customer? A newt. Kind of like a cross between a frog and a lizard. Newts are small amphibians that spend most of their time in ponds and rivers. They can regenerate limbs, eyes, and organs. Freaky, right? Would you like to know what's hidden in this picture? Press the letter N. Know who this is? A nurse, of course. A nurse is someone who looks after you when you're sick. It's an ancient profession, but our modern view of nursing, with its standards, uniforms, and so on, dates back to Florence Nightingale in the 19th century.